so this is like a test to see how this sounds. Once upon a time I was there with you, and we were there as well. And then you discovered you were in your own personal hell. But though, well, can you see what we got to say? So yeah, the acoustics in here are really good. This is the first chance I got to bring a camera out and test it. I happen to be doing some grocery shopping, and it takes me out this way. Got lucky, nobody's really in here, but there is a very busy location, so I'm going to wrap this up. But that was just a little bit of freestyle, and shout out to Bauhaus. So yeah, it actually sounds pretty good. So adios.